Kalong kami kabana ki Thain Jirang kabla shale Beijot hawe ring Runar mentagla lap bakla Armet bat puni ikhlung lan reu banai hapok po karkum ka kai phot bala IDDC jokari boy district hakmar ka committee on empowerment of women jongka assembly long bakani ka long kami kabana jingduna hak khot met kala lap bakla Armet hadien bakla pha pe ki doctor joka pathar khma PHC hak arpo artare ujemmang menta ka snem kani ka long kami kala phla hak jingtokit bakla shale Beijot hawe breu bakerteng ulor star well rani hadien bakani ka long kami kala ijahar ki pulit kala sha berngem kinthub e kemi jong karu nangta ka khasan trek ujleu a ja arpho ka shnong kala tach nong ya ka bat e ka kemi jong ka ha ka arpho trek uju banai par ki runar kla penjulor ru e ki benta jo ka yeng shet ja ha yeng jong ka nakaliang ka committee on empowerment of women kala hukum DMHO jo ka ribhoi bat e ka medical officer jong ka pathar khma ban page bat fikir bhai ka ni ka long kemi ha ki ni ki banai ki banwan khamtam e ban page ba ka ni ka long kemi kan khasuk e ni khalong.
The second aspect of the case is that the rape victim, unfortunately, being a differently able person with about 40% autistic traits, is now 6 months pregnant, and with the ongoing case, we feel that the Office of the DMHO and the Medical Health Officer of Jirang should immediately assist this victim to ensure that the remaining period of her pregnancy is peaceful and that she may be given dignity and deliver her child with some dignity. The third aspect is that both the victim and the mother have been ostracized from the village and from the home where they live in. We have been informed that there has been partial damage of the residence of the victim and her mother. Keeping in mind that she has 3 months approximately left to the completion period of her pregnancy, she should be allowed to return back home and her home should be immediately repaired. The DC already has an estimate of what is required to get done. We hope that in the next week we will be given a full report of the rehabilitation of both the victim, the mother, and we want to see that they have a home, a peaceful place where they can go on with their lives. The other aspect of this case is that we have requested the police to fast track and to fast track the case to ensure that a strong message is sent to everyone that rape is a heinous crime. It should be at all levels. We should make sure that the right message goes to the public, where we shall disallow delays in charge sheeting, delays in arrest of such oppressors.
Labatha rui ka DC jo ka Riboy district ban mang pisa na ka benta ban maramot ika yeng bala sha pra bat ban Kem Mardor ki bedan khti uba HM Shangpliang MLA ba kho jo ka ni ka committee ulong ba ka committee ka lapan pau ka jingsngo bitar ka jingle sting ki pulit ban Kem ki Runar ki bedan khti ha ka ni ka kam ulong ba ka committee ka IPOR RTO USP ka Riboy district ban Kem Mardor ki breu ki bedan khti ha ka ni ka kam.
This committee expresses its disappointment relating to the failure of the police in nabbing the culprits of what has happened on the 15th of June 2020, when there was some vandalism and some culprits had gone and dismantled the house of the rape victim and her mother, and an FIR was filed, and till date no arrest has been made. This committee also gave 2 weeks time to the SP of the Riboy district to take necessary action according to the FIR that has been filed against all the culprits who have vandalized the house of the victim and also who have threatened the Asha. So these are very serious. The committee will not allow this kind of inefficiency or the careless attitude taken by the police in not nabbing the culprits on time. We need to give confidence to these 3 women And the only confidence that we can give is if the district administration is by the side of these women.